Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to enter your opening balance in MYOB. So we're dealing with opening balances here now, and some of the things that you do need to remember is that every dollar that you already own, owe, or have in stock as of your MYOB start date, this allows you to set the baseline for your business success, okay? It also offers you real-life accuracy, and this allows you to avoid absolute disaster. So let's jump straight into it. How to enter your opening balance in your MYOB. Okay, so it's quick and it's the accurate way. So let's go into it. The first thing is you need to go into accounting, look for categories, and that should be your chart of accounts, and then click edit categories. You need to enter your real amount. So enter your real amount in the opening balance column as of your official start date from your trial balance or your old system or your accountant. Then for inventory, use inventory, count inventory, and then enter each item's quantity and value, and then record the count for an instant snapshot of your stock. You always use positive numbers unless an account is truly negative, and MYOB's system uses historical balancing, the historical balancing line to highlight if you're out of balance. You then need to save and review. So when you're done, you're going to go and click on save, and if there's a remaining balance, you need to then review that or get additional help. Accuracy here in this department really means that your business has certainty from day one. So make sure that you go through everything with a fine-tooth comb.